What's the meaning of cutesy? Cutesy. Cutesy.
Cutesy. Cutesy. Cutesy is an adjective that describes something that is excessively or artificially cute, often in a way that is perceived as annoying or insincere. It can refer to a style of artwork, clothing, or behavior that is deliberately designed to be sweet and charming, but may come across as saccharine or cloying. The term is often used pejoratively to criticize something that is seen as overly simplistic or lacking in substance, particularly in the context of creative works such as movies or books.